Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Street Fighter error code 90200-21018. The error reads connection issues. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to play Street Fighter online. Many users shared that they suddenly lose connection and receive the error. According to our research, this error is most likely related to network issues, outdated game versions, or temporary server outages. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your router along with your gaming device. Once both are restarted, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. If an update is available, install it and then check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Once connected, see if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, then it is most likely a server issue. In this case, wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.